Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Let's talk about the top 5 ways to eat hawthorn berries. Hawthorn berries are a wonderful small red fruit that grow on trees and shrubs in the rose family. They have a tart, tangy flavor, and they're often associated in traditional medicine for their potential health benefits. Here are the top 5 ways to eat hawthorn berries. First of all, make hawthorn berry syrup. Hawthorn berries can be boiled down with sugar to make a delicious syrup. This syrup can be used to sweeten drinks, drizzled over pancakes and waffles, or added to sauces and marinades. Hawthorn berry syrup has also been traditionally used to help with boosting circulation in the body. You can also add them to smoothies, and you can blend them into smoothies for a burst of flavor and added nutrient value as well. They're great paired with fruits such as apples, pears, and other berries as well. You can also use them in jams and jellies. Hawthorn berries can be used to make jams and jellies, and they're perfect for spreading on toast or using as a topping for oats, yogurt, or ice cream. You can use them dry and eat them as a snack. Now, I wouldn't prefer it that way, but some people like to use dried hawthorn berries as a snack, and they basically dry them the same way they do with sultanas and other sort of things such as cranberries as well. They can eat them like that, or they can add them to a trail mix with nuts, with sultanas, with cranberries to basically add a burst of flavor and nutrition as well. Also, you can add them to baking goods such as cakes, pies, and other baked goods as well to add a unique flavorful twist to baking goods. You can also add them to bread dough before you bake bread for a delicious fruity, Christmassy like bread. Overall, there are many delicious ways and creative ways to use hawthorn berries in your cooking. Whether you prefer sweet or savory dishes, these beautiful berries are so flexible. They can be used in a variety of recipes to add flavor and nutrition. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you're here, and if you enjoyed today's video, then subscribe, share, and like. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.